Hey guys, it's so funny. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Yes, we are about to get cute. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look. So I already did one eye and my brows off camera. So let's do the other eye. So you guys already know, before applying eyeshadow, I always use a concealer on my eyelid. I'm going to blend it. So next I'm going to use the BBFS palette again. So I'm going to take this color and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. So next I'm going to take this color right here. This look is so easy to do. Next, I'm taking my Huda eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna take this orange color right here, smoking it out a little bit. So next, I'm going to cut my crease. Oh, I'm using Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus concealer and color caramel. I have this concealer for a long time. I think it's been 2 years since I bought this concealer. From the same Huda eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna go in with this color right here and I'm gonna apply it with my finger like this. I bought this chunky glitter 2 weeks ago and I just now received them in the mail. And this is the reason why I am doing my makeup right now. I think it's like 3 or 4 in the morning, like right now. And I was just so excited to use these glitters. Like, oh my god, yes. And I'm in love with these glitters, girl. Like, yes. So to apply this chunky glitter on my eyelid, I'm going to use this eyeshadow applicator right here. So first, what you're going to do, I just learned this new trick. So first, you're going to wet it. So to wet it, I'm going to use my NYX Finish Spray. Open your chunky glitter. I think it's like a orange glitter. You see it? And look. So before applying the glitter, I'm going to use a glitter primer glue to apply a little bit on my eyelid. Press it down on your eyelid, don't drag it. And press and press. See how beautiful this glitter looks? Oh my god, I love this. This is so beautiful. We're going back to the palette and I'm going to take the same brown to blend the edge. Liquid eyeliner. Just a little wing liner. So I'm going to apply my eyelashes. I am done with eyes and now let's move on to my face. Yes. So I'm going to use these two BBFS Place foundation. This one is Burkina 310 and this one is Malawi 230, and I'm going to mix them together and I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, so now I am back and I'm going to apply my foundation. It's time to blend my foundation. Foundation. Thank you, Juvia. I'm going to use Juvia's Place Concealer 12 and I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes, my forehead, my chin, and my nose. Set that concealer, I'm going to use Juvia's Place setting powder called Kalahari. I think that's how you say it. So now we are going to contour with Juvia's Place Concealer 3. Like this. In the fullness of your grace. I'm going to use the same beauty blender. I'm going to use this part of the beauty blender. I'm going to blend this. To set my contour. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. I'm going to use this powder on my face. So now I'm going to add some blush. I'm going to use this blush right here. I'm going to use my eyeshadow, my big eyeshadow to highlight, and I'm gonna take this color right here. I think this one's my favorite. So to finish off the face, I'm going to use my NYX setting spray, and I'm going to spray. So for my lips, I'm going to use these Juvia's Place matte lipstick, and this one called Tattoo, and this is Soy. Use the burgundy one first. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Alright, let me hush so I don't mess it up. Oh, it's pretty. That's cute. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching. And yeah, that's me in a comment, girl.